Frequently asked questions about the Yardistry greenhouse from Costco. Is it easy to set up this greenhouse? Let's just say that the manual for this greenhouse runs 100 pages long. Now, granted that most of them are pictures and very detailed instructions, but still, that's a hefty manual. So the simple answer is no, it is not that easy to set up this greenhouse. In fact, it took my husband and my son 2 whole days, and they're both really good, handy people, working on this greenhouse with me helping them in order to get it set up. Now, the Yardistry booklet recommends that you do a complete inventory of every single piece before you get started on it, and I highly recommend, no, I insist that you do that, because that is one of the biggest problems. Is some of the pieces are warped, some of them are damaged, some of them don't quite align together. So check every single piece against the manual to make sure that, number one, you've got all of them. Look at them from the side, make sure that they're not warped, make sure that none of them are damaged. And what the booklet says is that if there are any problems with damage in any of the pieces, to contact the Yardistry Structures customer service instead of going to the store. So do that. Another thing that you do want to look into before buying this greenhouse is, are there any city regulations, depending on the location that you're placing this greenhouse, that will require you to get a building permit? So definitely look into that before you buy this greenhouse.